And as you can see, we've now made our plan for what this office has to be. It has to be a place to focus on work. We've now cleared the space. The next thing that we have to do is figure out how we're going to reload this. Specifically, we need to know what the boundaries for this room are going to be. Boundaries are important because pretty rarely in life do we have one space that's all ours and we don't have to share with anyone. Most of the time there's somebody else in the office, there's someone else that we have to kind of accommodate in a space that we have, either it's a bedroom, a kitchen, an office like this. What we need to do is make enough of a plan here to allow someone else to work around this. We have to be able to sit down at this desk, and we need a boundary for ourselves here because nothing should interfere with our work. There shouldn't be anything in the way of us doing what we have to do to make money. So we're going to have our chair here and our computer here. I know that sounds really simple, but if you noticed in the other shots, we have our monitor and our keyboard off center. If we do that, we're not really set up to work efficiently. If we're centered here, ergonomically it's advantageous. It's better on our neck, on our back, everything else. It's just inhibitive to work in some kind of manner that's not perfect. So we're going to start perfect, and that's what we're going to do next.